Hey, my name is Craig from the Primary Guitar Academy. If you found your way here from one of my YouTube jam tracks, welcome. I've found that most guitarists, when they start out, they're excited, but you find yourself learning a few random things. Trying to string that all together is difficult. You end up being frustrated and lose confidence, essentially. I created the Primary Guitar Academy to be a step-by-step program that teaches you what you need to know and what you should practice and work towards next. It's step by step. We end up playing over 30 songs together. This is the same curriculum I teach week in, week out in the schools with my students. I'm currently just filming all the lessons, packaging it, and putting it in a format that can be used online so that you can run through this at your own pace in the comfort of your own home. So join the waitlist now so that you can be the first to know when enrollment's open, as well as get some launch prices and any sort of content that I'm making as I'm filming it all and releasing. You'll be the first to know about it. So put your details in below, join the waitlist. I cannot wait to be able to teach you how to play guitar.